So the other day I was making some pasta di nata. It's a Portuguese pastry that is a custard-filled tart, and it's heated. The pastry dough is made out of butter, and you incorporate the butter into the flour, and it creates layers of that is like a croissant kind of a taste. And they stretch it in these little muffin tins, and you create pasta di nata, which is what they're famous for. And it made me think about our trip when we went to Portugal. So I thought I'd just share some scenes of that with you and the recipes of this beautiful pastry. So hope you enjoy. So here we are in obrigado, but that's thank you. So
It's kind of washed out. There I can. It has to be higher up, like this.
So what if we sat? What? You're not chasing your hat?
Sykes and Son in Portugal. Ciao.
So I hope you enjoyed it. We really had fun in Portugal with our friends, the Perillos. I'll leave the link to their YouTube channel down below. And the two recipes that I used were from YouTube, Cupcake Gemma and Food Wishes. So I'll leave the links in both of them. I actually used her double recipe for the pastry and I used his recipe for the custard. That's me, but hope you enjoyed it.